Right guys, today in this video I am going to be doing a pack opening. But as you see, I've got a face cam right here. If you can't see it, I've probably done some editing wrong then. But you know, just got to give it a try, you know what I mean. So, we are going to be playing some foot pack. What the hell, Yashin? It's got 89 Yashin for nothing. Okay, never mind. Oh. I had to do like a glitch. A new glitch, as you see on my screen recorder. I'll show you in a second. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! I want to be Portuguese. Oh my god, I wanted to be Portuguese or from Brazilian or Belgium. It's Harry Kane, that's still good, but we're gonna if it's Messi. Ronaldo, 80. No, not Ronaldo. Harry Kane, 88 rating with Varane as well. So it's in the worst pack of all times. It probably is, actually. Oh, got purple. But it's not new, and it's just old person. Look how old that guy looks. No, Wilco, not. Yeah, it's a showcase. And it is Kobashi. I keep doing a glitch wrong. Oh, walk out. It will. Oh my god, I think I just got 98 Pele. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna write the stats. As E3 does. 93. 96. It's 98 Pele. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Guys. Screenshot this right now. I'm going to send it on Instagram. Oh my god. 98 Pele. No, that's not real. That is not real. Guys, just hit like and subscribe right now. For this pro editing as well. It's like, it's editing. E3 editing. Oh, come on. Okay, no one I am. Zeba. It's been good. Harry Kane already. With 98 Pele. I wouldn't get any better. Guys, like and subscribe right now. Like and subscribe. Have we got any special packs? Nope, no lightning rounds. Who's this then? This is Alsuma. 82 rating in form card. Oh, yes. It's not bad. Pastore, 83 rating. I'll take that. Walk out. This cannot happen.
Clinton, did you take a plug?
I'm recording here, Chloe. With a face cam as well.
Can I borrow a plug?
Plug.
Using.
Have a good day. 91 Higuain, guys. Insane. Best pack opening ever. For me, anyway. Oh, I keep doing a glitch wrong. I have to quickly go pause it in a second, I think. Is there a way I can pause on this? I think I'm going to have to go onto the app and pause it, I don't know. So I can just do some more squad builders quickly to get more special packs. We've got a hero walkout. It was Messi. Never mind. Sorry, because I forgot about it because the music came on. Coca-Cola. 89 Christian Eriksen. What a baller. Proves not fake. So well I do anyway because we all know it's real. Tap. Christian Eriksen. Tap on him, ready? Tap. Eriksen. Lovely pack. It wasn't a good pack, but it's a good player. Can't believe I got 98 Pele. That's just insane. I can't believe it. Screenshot anyway, so I'm going to post on Instagram in a minute. My friends are going to be so jealous. Guys, we've got another one of these new cards, but it's an 82 rating. Del Laurenti. Come on, we get that old padlock. Today is good. Is this new, please? No, it isn't new. It's one of these cards. Gomez. Yeah, never mind. He's rubbish. And Salah in the same pack. In mobile, 84 rating in form, so not bad at all. What am I doing? Okay. Guys, oh my god, I think that's the Halloween. Yes, Mario has to be. You know, like, has to be. What do you mean? Oh, he's Ribery, I forgot about him. I thought it was just Ozil. 89, 87. 87. Ribery, I'll take that. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Oh, I got a troll and Rooney 77 rating. It's getting stand mode then. Like, you know. 7 minutes we've been recording, and we've been so. Oh, it's roughly the same, but the one on the screen recording is a bit faster. That might affect the footage, wasn't it? Oh, never mind. It might affect it. So I might say like, oh my god, I got 98 players in it. Then on the screen recording, not on the on. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Oh well. At least I tried. I'll probably be very rubbish. Cavani, isn't it? It has to be because there is no Luis Suarez. Cavani. It's not bad though, I guess. 989 rating. Nah. Not bad at all. Just. Oh, it's 80 actually. That's even worse. Never mind. Ooh. Oh, who's this? Fake Linton. That's not the glitch. It's going to be a short video check because I want to check if I can edit this video. Okay, so it's going to be I'm going to do 5 more packs, right guys? 5 more, 1, 2, yeah, you know. So, okay, let's go. First pack. Oh, that's Mbappe 86. I'll definitely take that any day of the year. I'm still not home for 93 Neymar and 95 Ronaldo. It's just not coming. Just not. All I know, 92 Hazard. We've got a new, I don't know. Oh, I'll say Chamberlain. No, just not even. Look at him, look at him. He's rubbish. He's not so good. I messed up the glitch again. This is about my 3rd pack. And I've got a Nikon. Let's go. Get it. Please be good, please. Oh, this could be good. This could be. I've already got 91 Owen. Striker, is it Shearer? Shearer's not bad either. 87 Shearer's not too bad too. 88 shot. That's deadly. I messed up the glitch again. So there's my 4-pack. And it's one of these rubbish cards once again, and it's not new. And it is Forsberg. 83 hours, you can see through the screen. I'm looking through my computer screen while I'm leaning against you guys. So looking through that. See it? Okay. So last pack. Guys, until the end, please be... I messed up the glitch. Okay. Guys, I am going to do a new look pack. Right. Please so you guys can see it. Three, 2, 1. Wait, did I get in a shot? I was like, that wasn't I. But anyway, guys, it is an 84 miles. Not the best I could have expected for. But it's still someone. So, guys, I am going to go. So, peace. See you later, guys. And